Hey students, this is lesson 5.1. In this lesson we're going to learn how to use the triangle midsegment theorem to solve problems. Go ahead and do this vocab and I'll check back with you. All right, so here's the theorem we're going to use, triangle midsegment theorem. If the segment joins the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then the segment is parallel to the third side and half as long. Go ahead and fill this out and I'll check back with you. All right, we're going to use the triangle midsegment theorem here. We're given that three pairs of parallel segments. And so what we're going to try and do is look at this information to figure out which ones are the midsegments. The first one is segment MN is parallel. So MN, that would be parallel to DE. Second one, segment MO, that would be parallel to this side, FE. And the last one, ON, is parallel to DF. All right, you try that. All right, we're going to use the midsegment theorem to find some lengths here. So here we're given a triangle RST, and we're given some lengths. We're given RS is 28, GH is 20, RH is 22. We want to find KH. So I'm going to write this, KH, I know that KH is equal to 1/2 RS. So using that information, I can just substitute in 28 for RS, and I get KH is equal to 1/2 times 28, which is 14. All right, we also want to find GH, and I know that from the diagram GH is equal to 1/2 ST. And I can substitute 20 for GH. And then I can just multiply both sides by 2, and I get ST is equal to 40. And the last one I need to find is GK. And to find GK, I know that GK is 1/2 of RT. And I also know that RH is 1/2 of RT, since H is the midpoint. So that means GK is equal to RH. And I know that RH is 22, so GK is 22 by substitution. All right, you try that. Hope you caught this little error here. That should be AB, I believe. All right, using the midsegment of a triangle to solve a problem. So we are given a triangle on a river here, and it looks like we could tell because those are both 55, those are congruent. We want to know the distance across the river. We actually would need a little bit more information. We'd either have to know that this segment here is parallel to this one right here. So let me label these with some letters, and then we'll use those letters. And assuming that CD is parallel to AB, or that that A is the midpoint of DE, we're just assuming one of those two things. If that's true, then we know that AB is 1/2 CD. And CD is 92 feet, so AB is 1/2 times 92, which is 46. So it's 46 feet across the river. Again, that is assuming either A is the midpoint of DE, or AB is parallel to CD. All right, can you try that? All right, that's the end of the lesson. Go ahead and do the lesson check, and we'll talk about that next time we meet in class.